Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to create your pin on Pinterest. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your login details and log into your Pinterest account. Now on your screen at the bottom you can see options like home, search, create, inbox and saved. You have to tap on create and select pin. You can select photos from your library, select the similar photos, then tap on next. Once you do that, you can adjust its size, add media, text, music, or you can draw on it. You can add stickers and audios, you can add filters and colors. Once you edit all that, you have to tap on next, then give a title to your pin. Give a description, you can add link for your website or other places that you have got these pictures from. Then you can pick a board from your profile, tag related topics. Then under advanced settings, you can manage engagement settings, shopping recommendation, etc. Then all you have to do is tap on create. And guys, that's it. That's how you create pin on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.